When you own your own cleaning business, you end up with a lot, and I mean a lot of cleaning supplies. But since downsizing from over 2,000 square feet to 400, I've had to get picky about which cleaning products I can keep. So here's the ones that made the cut. This steamer will always make the cut because its versatility is unmatched. Removing stuck on gunk, cleaning hard to reach areas, and cleaning the windows, this baby does it all. Plus, it's not too bulky and can easily be stored away and out of sight. And out of all the vacuums I have, and trust me, I have a lot, this little guy is the one I finally decided on. It's small and lightweight, but mighty. It picks up pet hair flawlessly with its non-tangle brush roll, which is a must because of this big guy. I can vacuum the entire home quickly and efficiently and then easily store it out of the way. And if you've been here for any amount of time, you'll know that my good old electric scrub brush made the cut. I am obsessed with my new shower because look at all these shower heads. And I'll be using this scrubber on it every single day to keep it this beautiful. Well, just kidding. Maybe. It comes with multiple attachments and has adjustable arms so you can reach all the cracks and crevices without breaking your back. You can find all the products linked in the caption below and like and follow for more cleaning tips.